Welcome to our show-off lighting 90-watt adjustable head instructional video. What comes in the box? Your telescopic table stand and associated table clamp, your AC power cord, and your adjustable head adapter. And don't forget that 90-watt LED light module. Attach the clamp to the base plate and tighten directly to the table. Attach the head to the pole and rotate until locked. Loosen the wing nut and rotate the arm 180 degrees. Attach the light to the peg and don't forget to tighten the set screws. Wrap the cord around the pole and plug into the light. Now you can open the latch and raise the pole and set to your desired height. The industry-leading portable lighting solution. As always, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.